Do you like to write words and sentences in colorful design and patterns? You already know the use of a keyboard and mouse. In this lesson, we are going to learn about Microsoft Word 2020. Lesson number 4, page number 46. Now, what is word processing? A word processor is an application software that helps you to type text on a computer. The process of typing using a word processor is called as word processing. There are many word processing software available. For example, Microsoft Word, Notepad, WordPad, WordStar, PageMaker, and WordPerfect. We will learn about different features of word processor. Using word processor, you can edit words and sentence. You can cut, copy and paste text. You can check and correct spellings and grammar. You can print your document. You can insert a picture in your document and many more. Click on Start button. Select all programs. Click on Microsoft Office and select Microsoft Word 2010. The Microsoft Word screen appears as shown. Just close this box. This is a default Microsoft Word screen. As you can view, this is a title bar. I have not given the name, so therefore it is written as document 1. This is quick access toolbar. This is shortcut keys, minimize to minimize the application, to restore or maximize the application, and to close the application. Here we are having a title bar which shows the title of a document. Now we are having ribbon which contains tabs and different types of groups. Here by default it is selected home tab. Now different types of groups are there: clipboard, quad, paragraph and styles. Now how you can create a new document. Now this is a new document only. However, you can click on file, select new. From here you select blank document and the blank document will open. How you can open a existing document that you have already saved in the computer memory. Click on file, click on open and select the path where you have saved the file. Now my document is there in my folder. It is in MS 2000 features of word processor. I already created it. So just I will select that file and click on open. This is the features of word processor that I have already saved for you. Now how you can insert a new line in a existing document. Wherever you want to enter any line, just click on the end of the line and press enter key. The blank line will appear, so you can type any text or sentence if you want. So I have written, you can print a document here. So you can insert any line, any word, wherever in the existing document by using Microsoft Word 2020. Even we can select the text and the sentence. If you want to select the text, you just need to drag the mouse from the starting point till the end if you want to select complete sentence. If you want to select only a line, only a word, you can only select by dragging the mouse. Now how you can delete the text. If you want to delete a complete sentence, First select the complete sentence, that line, and then press the delete key. If you want to delete any particular word, then select only that word and press delete. Now, how you can format the text? For example, this is my headline. I want it in a bold. Select that particular line and click on bold from the font trim. You can change the size from the font size. You can give the desired size. I want this under the particular things should be underlined. You can make it italic, underline. You can change the style of your font using the font style, and you can give the colors to your text also. It all comes in formatting a document. Formatting means changing and arranging text in a document to make it attractive. We can format our document by using font group and paragraph group. For example, I want my headline, the basic line, it should be in the middle. I can use the paragraph. I can give the bulletins even the numbers, serial numbers using the paragraph. I want to give the bulletin. So by this way, you can format your text. Now how you can save the document? Click on File, click on Save. I have already saved this document with the name, and if you want to save the same document with another name, you can use Save As. Give a proper name to your document and it will be saved. Now how you can print the document? To printing the document also, you need to go to File and you need to select the print. Your proper document will be appear, so you can set the margins, even you can change the orientation of your document. Now it is portrait. If I will give the landscape, see, you can see the difference in the landscape and portrait. You can select how many pages you want to print, even the number of copies. Now my computer is not connected to the printer. Now how you can access the Microsoft Word? You can exit by selecting the close button from the shortcut buttons on the top. Even you can go to File and click on